Hello children, today we are going to start primary 3 first midterm maths lesson. Lesson number 2, more about numbers. This is your objectives. Comparing numbers, ordering numbers, more or less than any 2 or 3 digit numbers, number patterns, rounding numbers to the nearest 10, rounding numbers to the nearest 100. Children, do you remember the place value table? Let us use the place value table. Now you can see the place value table. Ones represent ones, then 10 represent tens, and 100 represent hundreds. Okay children, let's see the comparing numbers. Look at the number 431 and 528. Which number is greater? First, use place value chart for 3 digit numbers. Then 431s and 528. Children, which number is greater? 500 is greater than 431. So 528 is greater than 431. Children, let's see the example 1. Compare 472 and 475. Step 1, we compare the hundreds. So both numbers have 400s. And step 2, we compare the tens. That both numbers have 7 tens. Step 3, we compare the ones. The 2 ones is smaller than 5 ones. So 472 is smaller than 475. Children, we represent in this symbol that is mean greater than 1. Right? Children, let's see the ordering numbers. There are 3 kids, Tom, Rita and Ari. They start in strawberry picking competition. Then Tom picked 257 strawberries. Then Rita picked 181 strawberries. And Ari picked 293 strawberries. Okay children, then arrange the number of strawberries picked from the smallest to greatest. Who came in the first place? First compare the hundreds. Then 100 less than 200. So 181 is the smallest. Now we compare 257 and 293 to see which is smaller. 5 tenths is less than 9 tenths. So 257 is smaller than 293. If we order the number of strawberries, they pick from the smallest to the greatest. So we have smallest to greatest, then 181, 257 and 293. So R came in first place. Let's see the number patterns. Children, do you remember? See, Rita makes the following number pattern. Can you find the missing number? 121, 122, 123, then fraction mark, and 125, 126 and 127. We can use the number line to find out what is the missing number. In this number pattern, we starting from 121 and count on in ones to find the next number. Then one more than 123 is 124. Okay children, let's see the next example. Look at this number pattern. What is the missing number? 592, 596 and 600 and fraction mark 608, 612. In this number pattern, we start from 592 and count on in fours to find the next number. So the missing number is 604. Children, will I get same answer if I count back in fours? So the missing number is 604. Let's see the rounding numbers. Rounding numbers nearest 10. Round 232 to the nearest 10. Let us first draw a number line marking tens to show where 233 lies on number line. 233 is between 230 and 240 on the numbers line. 230 and 240 on the number lines. It's nearer to 230 than to 240. So 233 rounded to the nearest 10 is 230. Okay children, let's see the example 2. Round 118 to the nearest 10. 118 is between 110 and 120 on the number line. Then 118 is near to 120 than to 110. So 118 rounded to the nearest 10 is 120. Let's see the nearest 100. Round 170 to the nearest 100. Let us see where 170 lies on a number line that is marking 100. So 170 is between 100 and 200 on the number line. It is near to the 200 than 200. So 170 rounded to the nearest number is 200. Okay children, let's see the example 2. Round 450 to the nearest 100. 450 is exactly between 400 and 500. When we rounded 450 to the nearest 100, we round it 500. Okay children, this is your summary. I hope you can understand these comparing numbers, ordering numbers, more or less than and 2 or 3 digit numbers, the number patterns, then rounding number to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay children, I hope you can understand this whole lesson, and this is your homework. In your textbook, page number 29, 30, 35 and 42. Okay, stay safe. Goodbye.